Today's video we're going to cover the Garmin Bluetooth connectivity for the Ford coach. Starting with Bluetooth connectivity, select the tools, scroll down to settings, navigate to the Bluetooth option. At this time, it would be best if we rename this device for easier identification. In the upper right hand corner there are three dots. We will select rename this device. We will delete the long arbitrary number it has and give it something more personal. We will now call this RV1050 Coach. Once it has been named, we will press rename and the name has been saved. On the Bluetooth menu, we will now make sure the Bluetooth option is on. On your tablet or phone, you're going to want to make sure your Bluetooth is also enabled. From this menu, you will search for local Bluetooth devices. And under our available devices, we see that the 1050 is available. Selecting the 1050 Coach, it now gives us a pairing dialog. We will select pairing on our device. You can now see that the device is paired correctly. We will go back one menu, and from here, we will navigate to our phone. At this point, it's going to give you a dialog requesting you to download an app. This app is not necessary. It is only for live traffic, weather, and other live surfaces. On your radio, when the pair dialog request pops up, we will select pair. You will now see we are connected. Navigate to our menu, and our phone book will be loaded, allowing you to make calls from the Garmin radio. Now that the Bluetooth devices are connected, we can access our Bluetooth audio. Selecting the source in the left-hand corner, we now select Bluetooth, and your Bluetooth is now controllable through your radio.